practices like cooking and eating food can encompass an emotional, spiritual, and community connection. Two Hamilton area farmers share their stories.
Chris, we love that you say on your website that you farm not just for financial reasons, but you farm for the social, spiritual, and emotional connection.
We grow vegetables, we take them to the market, that's our income, but we're doing it in a way where we're participating in the broader community. We live in an environment that includes the ecology, plants and animals, fungus and bugs. We need to find our place, and so we need to take into consideration how we treat the people that work with us, how we treat our customers, how we treat each other as a family, and so that's taking into consideration things like community, the spiritual element, being part of the whole.
Paula, you're presently in recovery from stage 4 cancer. Has garlic helped you in your healing journey?
The whole culture of gardening is very empowering to someone who's trying to heal. When you plant something in the ground and you watch it grow, it gives you a sense of the continuum of life. One of the problems the world has today, it has lost its center. We've gotten away from the land and seeing how things grow and nurturing them. It gives you a lot of strength to see that you can help something produce life when you're challenged with the fact that yours may be in trouble. And you get strength because you're out there and you are physically working in the sun, in the soil, fresh air, rather than sitting there not being able to contribute anything to your future. Gardening generally is really good for the soul and very good for the body.
Thank you so much.
Treehill's Kitchen is all about finding our way to wellness and community through food literacy and cooking inspiration. Let's continue on this journey together.
Explore.
Grow.
Heal.
Connect. Look at the bumblebee's legs.
Oh my goodness, isn't it amazing?